So, sounds to me like you're still a member of the Jamaica Labour Party and you're campaigning.
I've never left. I have never stopped campaigning. Never left, never stopped campaigning.
But Mr. Reid, given the legal, issues you've been having, do you think it is wise to be seen publicly with, associated with the Labour Party at this particular time?
I don't even know why I asked that question. I am a free agent, and all political parties are public institutions, and I still voted in the local government election. I have a vote.
The multi-million-dollar corruption case involving former Education Minister Ruel Reid and his co-accused has taken another major turn. Lawyers representing Reid and others are now urging the judge to throw out the charges entirely, claiming a breach of the law. But Jamaicans are left asking, is this a case of justice being served, or the system working for the powerful once again? The defense has argued that the charges should be dropped due to what they call a breach of statute. Essentially, they're saying the law wasn't properly followed when the case was brought forward. This argument has reignited public frustration over how long the case has dragged on, and whether accountability still means anything in Jamaica. The case, which began years ago, involves allegations of misuse of public funds linked to the Ministry of Education and the Caribbean Maritime University. Ruel Reid, his wife Sharon, daughter Sherelle, Jamaica Labour Party councillor Kim Brown Lawrence, and former CMU President Fritz Pinnock all face serious charges, including breaches of the Corruption Prevention Act, conspiracy to defraud, and breaches of the Proceeds of Crime Act. But after years of headlines and hearings, no resolution seems near. And now, with this new legal twist, it's possible the entire case could collapse, leaving many Jamaicans wondering whether justice is truly equal for everyone. If this sounds familiar, that's because it is. Jamaica has seen several high-profile corruption cases fade quietly, either through technicalities or endless delays. Critics say this pattern sends the wrong message, that connections and money can outlast justice. Meanwhile, others argue that the law must be applied strictly, even if it benefits those at the center of controversy. If the statute was indeed breached, then dropping the case would be legally justified, regardless of public opinion. So, what's really at stake here isn't just the fate of Ruel Reid or his co-accused. It's public trust in Jamaica's justice system. Because every time a case like this drags on or collapses, it deepens the belief that there are two Jamaicas, one where ordinary people face the full weight of the law, and another where the powerful walk free. And while this latest development is still before the courts, the outcome could either reignite faith in accountability or further confirm public cynicism. What do you think, Jamaica? Should the charges be dropped if there was a technical breach, or should the court push forward in the interest of justice? Share your thoughts below. This is JamaicaVox, where we give voice to what the nation is really thinking.